Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Rubén de Jesus Salazar Muñoz. I go to the present my project. My favorite movies are Titanic, Fast and Furious, and Wall. Wall is the best movie of my top 3 because Wall is more interesting than Titanic and Fast and Furious because the soccer is my favorite sport. I really like story and I never get bored. What is more amazing than Fast Furious because it is what happened. The soundtrack of Wall is better than Fast and Furious and Titanic together. Santiago Muñez, a Mexican chef in Los Angeles, receives the opportunity to fulfill his dream of playing professional soccer. Italian scout will contact in the choose you can hype you the change of a lifetime or if they make it to England. He will be able to test his team with the Newcastle United team. What was directed by Danny Cannon, was written by Luis Ormaza. The story is in USA Los Angeles at the Newcastle United Stadium. The main character of Wall is Santiago Muñez. The movie lasts 121 minutes. The movie raised $2.27 billion. The most important moment on the movie, one, Santiago Muñez is a young Mexican and expert soccer. 2, his dad didn't think he would fulfill the dream of being a footballer. And 3, Santiago Muñez fulfilled the dream of being a footballer. Finish and thank you.